The powerful House Committee on Appropriations has a new chair. Davao City 3rd District Representative Isidro Ungab has been replaced by Partylist Representative Go Yap. Yap used to head the House Committee on Games and Amusement. Yap jokes Senator Ping Lacson has a new punching bag himself. Yap is clueless why he became the chosen one. He admits being close to presidential son and Davao City Representative Paolo Duterte. But Yap does not believe that factored into the House leadership's decision to pick him.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.